God stopped me in my tracks. I was walking along, crossing the parking lot, and a voice spoke to me and says, Ulysses, you either come back into the fold or else I'm going to bring you home. Hallelujah. At that point, I stopped and I began to realize that my Father is speaking to me, that I need to come home. And at that point, I began to seek the face of God, and I told my wife, I said, no, I'm going to go and get back into the church. I want to start going back to church. So I went back to the church. I had met one of the brothers from a church in Atlanta there, Emmanuel Temple, Holiness Church.